Do you want to know who's watching your videos, like really watching your videos till the end? If you have people just spamming your account and liking it and watching for a quick second, you're going to get shadow banned. So I'm going to give you this sound to use on your own video. Ask someone to leave you some green hearts so you know that they've watched this video to the end.
Send this to someone you'll remember forever. I love you and I always will.
Now look at me and this opportunity is standing right in front of me.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
If you think you know your bestie, which slime will they pick? Part 4.
You need to start spreading the gospel right now. Tomorrow is not promised. This is not the time to be scared. This is not the time to be ashamed. Jesus said, if you are ashamed of me in front of your friends, I will be ashamed of you before my Father in heaven. The sad reality is that without the gospel, people will be going to hell.